This is Year 10, Homework 22 for MrReedMaths group. Let's have a look at question 1. Now this is about the probability of something not happening. It's very basic compared to some of the work we've been doing, but it's just a little check to make sure you can do it. Just take care with question D. We've got a little dot above the 3 there, that is important. On to question 2. We've got a partially drawn probability tree. You need to copy that tree into your maths book and complete it. Again, it uses a concept of something happening and something not happening, so it's the same idea as question 1. You've got the information about the actual experiment here, about the fact there are 7 items in a box. 1 is red, the rest are not. And you pick an item, put it back, then pick another item. Once you've drawn your tree, work out the chance of red and red. And then we've got this here, which is the chance of that not happening. So think about the quickest way to do that. On to question 3. Again, we're drawing a probability tree. We've got this situation, however, that Amy has got a 0.8 chance of winning her first game. But if she loses that first game, her probability of losing the second game doubles. So maybe she loses confidence and is more likely to lose again. And that is the sort of thing that might happen. Draw a tree, work out the probability of winning exactly 1 game. That's part B. And then tell me how that's different to the probability of winning at least 1 game. At least and exactly are not the same thing. Question 4. Now this is a little probability about a question about a fruit bowl. So we've got some apples and bananas in a fruit bowl here, and you're picking 2 at once. And I've mentioned this, I demonstrated this with pens and a pencil case in the classroom. Picking 2 at once, draw a tree, and then calculate the probability of picking the same fruit twice. On to question 5. Now this is the topic we're doing in class this week. You've got some cars that have driven past a person, and the colour of those cars has been recorded in this frequency diagram. And we're then asked some questions about it. So you need to work out the relative frequency of black, red and yellow, and then use that to answer the questions that are below this table here. On to question 6. And this is completely different to what we've been doing. It's a practice question on a topic we did weeks ago now. Fully factorise each of these expressions. Down here you've got questions that need 2 brackets, and these ones here need fully factorising into 1 bracket. And this one here is a bit of a challenge. Think about it, decide for yourself whether that's 1 or 2 brackets. Right, that's it as usual. Due in on Friday. Ask me for help if you are stuck.